Forget tedious cleaning programs. Miele AutoClean will clean your coffee machine all by itself. The key component of Miele AutoClean is a cartridge containing a special cleaning agent. This removes all traces of milk residue from the milk pipework and degreases the brew unit. You can decide for yourself when the daily cleaning should begin. It's important to clean the pipework after milk has been dispensed. The appliance does this by automatically rinsing through the pipework with water as soon as milk has been dispensed. For additional, more thorough cleaning, Miele AutoClean will start every day at the selected time. Water from the water container is pumped to the cleaning cartridge. It is sprayed into the cartridge, causing the cleaning agent to dissolve and drip into the mixing container below. The cleaning solution is pumped into a pipework circuit. It then circulates briefly to enable the cleaning agent to mix properly with the water. Next, the solution is pumped into the milk pipework in multiple doses, where it's left to work for a short period. Once cleaning is complete, the cleaning solution is rinsed out of the pipework. After this, automatic descaling starts in order to remove any traces of limescale from the pipework. As well as cleaning the milk pipework, Miele AutoClean degreases the brew unit at regular intervals. This process is carried out after every 25 coffees dispensed. The cleaning solution is pumped to the brew unit for degreasing rather than into the milk pipework. A cleaning cartridge lasts about 2 to 3 months and is quick and easy to replace. Miele AutoClean is an intelligence system that calculates which cleaning process is due and releases the ideal amount of cleaning solution each time, based on the number and type of drinks that have been dispensed. Miele AutoClean, for maximum convenience and hygiene.